My name is Professor Debi Saini, and I'm an ex-professor from Management Development Institute, Gurgaon. Presently, I teach in 3 IIMs courses related to human resource management, and I also teach a course called Strategic People Management in Denmark for the last 7 years. And on the basis of this experience of mine, I found that it is absolutely critical for managers, managing people, to understand and alter their behavior so as to be in consonance with the vision of the organization. And behavior alteration is not a very easy thing. In the course of delivering the package of this module, I encountered 2 topics which I felt very critical: learning organization and leadership development. And I had been looking for a long time for some exposure to understanding mental models and how mental models are formed, how they could be understood, and how they could be altered. An organization cannot be a learning organization unless this is done. So is in relation to the leadership development. When I read about this conduction of this workshop, I was quite excited, and I decided to attend this. Unlike others who are sponsored, I am a self-sponsor, and being a retired person self-sponsoring himself, one can understand how much importance I attribute to this subject. But I must say that even though I did not know the deliverer, and I trusted that this should be a very useful exposure of mine, and which I did see in the various concepts discussed by Mr. Shakun Khanna, and I was just delighted to see his knowledge, the depth, the way he comprehends issues, and the way he correlates what he is talking with different collateral things, which I just found amazing. And I found a great value addition after having attended this workshop for 3 days to my understanding of people, mental models, and how people can be empowered, and how we can build rapport, and how anchors can be used for more efficacious people management. And the methodology which Mr. Khanna adopted was very interactive all through, and due to which that the whole course delivery was very interesting, and he used story writing, story building exercises, paired groups, and all this enabled us to imbibe the learnings in a very effective way. Overall, I must say that NLP and Mr. Shakun Khanna both have a great future as a trainable topic and trainer respectively in India, where more and more managers are using command and control, and they do not care to understand people's minds and people's emotions. As we are marching towards the globalization model, where talent management and people centricity are so critical, managers and organizations will realize that they will have to switch over to people-centric models, which cannot be understood and cannot be developed without the use of neuro-linguistic programming. And I wish best of luck to Mr. Shakun Khanna in this enterprise, in this consulting of his in the area of NLP.